A $100 billion lawsuit just took a shocking twist, and Elon Musk may have just played his most dangerous card yet. Just weeks before one of the most anticipated tech trials in history, OpenAI is accusing Musk of pulling a legal ambush, radically changing what he's demanding in his lawsuit against the company he helped found. The stakes couldn't be higher, the timing couldn't be more suspicious, and the fallout could reshape the entire future of artificial intelligence. Here's everything you need to know. To understand why this matters, you need to go back to the beginning. Elon Musk was one of OpenAI's co-founders, helping launch the nonprofit AI research lab back in 2015 alongside Sam Altman and others. The mission was simple and idealistic: build artificial general intelligence for the benefit of all humanity, not for profit. Musk poured tens of millions of dollars into the organization before departing from its board in 2018, citing conflicts of interest with his own AI ambitions at Tesla. But the relationship never truly ended. It just curdled. When OpenAI began its dramatic pivot toward becoming a for-profit company and deepened its partnership with Microsoft, Musk went from disappointed co-founder to open adversary. He launched his own AI company, xAI, and filed a lawsuit against OpenAI in early 2024, arguing the organization had fundamentally betrayed its founding mission. His legal team claimed OpenAI had abandoned its nonprofit charter, sold out to corporate interests, and violated the agreements under which early donors, including Musk himself, had contributed money and resources. The lawsuit quickly became one of the most watched legal battles in Silicon Valley. Now, with the trial just weeks away, OpenAI is sounding the alarm. In new court filings, OpenAI's legal team accused Musk of executing what they called a legal ambush, significantly shifting the scope and nature of what he's actually seeking in the lawsuit. According to OpenAI, Musk's team has changed direction on key demands at the last minute, forcing OpenAI to scramble its legal preparation. The specifics of exactly what Musk is now seeking have not been fully disclosed, but the implications are enormous. When a party pivots this close to trial, it typically signals either a new legal strategy born from discovered vulnerabilities or an attempt to expand the battlefield right before the opening gavel. Legal experts watching the case say this kind of late maneuvering is unusual but not unheard of. What makes it extraordinary here is the scale of what's at stake. OpenAI is currently in the middle of one of the most aggressive corporate restructuring efforts in tech history, working to convert its nonprofit structure into a more traditional for-profit entity, a transition that could value the company at over $300 billion. Any legal disruption, especially a court order or injunction stemming from Musk's lawsuit, could freeze or unwind that entire process. Musk knows this. His opponents know he knows this. OpenAI, for its part, has been increasingly vocal in pushing back against what it characterizes as bad faith litigation. The company argues that Musk only became an adversary after he failed to take control of OpenAI himself. Internal documents revealed during discovery showed that Musk had actually proposed at one point that OpenAI merge with Tesla, a move that would have placed him firmly in charge. When that proposal was rejected, the narrative of noble mission defense began. Critics say the lawsuit was never really about the nonprofit mission. It's about competitive advantage and market control in the AI race. The broader context here matters deeply. We are living through the most consequential period in AI development since the field was born. OpenAI and xAI are direct competitors. Every legal delay, every injunction, every courtroom headline is a move on a much larger chessboard. The trial, if it proceeds on schedule, will force a public airing of internal communications, financial arrangements, and strategic decisions that both sides have kept tightly guarded. For researchers, investors, regulators, and ordinary users of AI tools, the outcome could set precedents that shape how AI companies are governed for decades. Watch for two things in the coming weeks. First, how the court responds to OpenAI's ambush complaint. whether the judge allows Musk's shifted demands to stand or forces a reset. Second, watch for any settlement signals.